Hey friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today we will have the Bitcoin price action analysis on the short term and on the mid term and on the long term as well. And we will watch the different chart patterns and the support and resistance levels as well. And we will also watch the different moving averages as well. First of all, I would like to share this news of the Cointelegraph with you guys. And this is the main story of almost every cryptocurrency news site and almost every news site as well. And this is that the President Trump said, go after the Bitcoin. And according to the John Bolton's new book, The Room Where It Happened, Trump was against the Bitcoin long before his July 2019 Twitter tirade. Now let's move to the complete news. I'm just scrolling it down. United States President Donald Trump wanted to take his apparent dislike of Bitcoin off Twitter and on the regulatory level, according to the former National Security Advisor John Bolton. A June 18 article in Forbes about the Bolton's new book, The Room Where It Happened, reveals that Bolton heard Trump tell Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin to go after the Bitcoin. The conversation between the Trump and the Mnuchin was regarding trade sanctions and tariffs against China in May 2018. So friends, what do you think about this news? Whether this news will affect the price action of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin will be dropped due to this news or not? You can share your opinions in the comment sections. I will be waiting for your opinion. In my point of view, this news has very much significance for the price action of Bitcoin, because this news is just came out of the blue when the price action was just trying to break out this very strong resistance and the rejection line that is formed since 2017. And this is a very big multi-years based symmetrical triangle that was started in 2017, and so far the price action is not able to break out the resistance of this triangle. I'll definitely come back to this triangle. Before this, I would like to share some midterm and short-term charts with you. In my previous video, I told you that the price action is completing the final leg of garlic pattern, and this was the chart when I predicted that the price action will drop. First, I predicted that the price action will be dropped from $9,300 to $9,000, and in the next video, I predicted that it will be from it will be from $9,000 to $8,800 because this was in fact a bullish bad pattern, and the price action dropped up to $8,900 and completed the final leg of this bullish bad pattern. This was the B leg, and this was the C leg, and this was the final leg of bullish bad pattern, and this was the potential reversal zone. Start from 0.786 and ends up to 0.886 Fibonacci level. At this time, this potential reversal zone has become a very strong support for the price action that starts from $9,000 and ends up to almost $8,800. So we can set our stop loss at $8,800 as per this bullish bad pattern on this daily chart. And if I'll take you to this chart, and this is the same daily chart, and I've shown the different support and resistance levels on this chart. And this $8,800 is the support level where we have the potential reversal zone of our this bullish bad pattern, the maximum extent of this bullish bad pattern. And we can set this level as our stop loss as well. And this is the next resistance level at $9,500, and our next resistance level is $10,000. Before that, this $9,500 was working as a support. At this time, the price action, after breaking down this resistance at this support level, it is retesting this level as the resistance. And if the price action will be not able to break out this resistance again, then it will be again dropped at this previous support level that is at $8,800. At this time, the price action has found a very good channel between $9,300 to $9,500. And if we just switch to this smaller time period chart, this is a very small time period, 1 hour chart, then we can easily observe that the price action is moving very well within this this level from $9,300 to $9,500, and this is a little bit down channel. Therefore, if the price action will not soon break out this resistance of the channel, then definitely price action will find more down and down resistance level. For example, if I'll place the pitchfork indicator on this chart, this is a pitchfork indicator, then we can easily see the projection where the price action can go. I'm just trying to place this indicator in the center like this and like this, and we can see the projection of this pitchfork. And if the price action will not break out the resistance, then for example, it will be moving down and down within this channel, then up to, after several days, for example here up to 22nd of June, the resistance will be at $9,340. Therefore, it is very much important for the price action to break out the resistance of this channel as soon as possible. This is very important indicator, this pitchfork indicator, that shows the long-term projection of the price action. If you find any channel and you want to see the long-term projection of the price action, where the price action can go if the channel will be not broken out or broken down, then where the price action can go, then you can use this pitchfork indicator. Now let's move to the next chart, and this was the up channel that was formed after the mid of March. And as we received a very clear signal by this moon phases indicator that the bearish moon or the dark moon was appeared at the distance below the support, and it was giving the clear signal that the price action can reach up to this level. And definitely if the price action will be reached up to this level, this dark moon, then the price action, in order to come here, price action needs to break down the support of this channel. And I told you in my previous video that the price action can break down the support of this channel in order to reach up to this dark moon. And at this time, the price action has broken down the support of this channel. That is very much clear at this time. And if we compare the price action of Bitcoin with the other markets, for example, this is the SPX 500, the most outperforming index of the stocks and indexes as well. And the price action of Bitcoin was going more stronger and bullish than the other markets. For example, the price action of Bitcoin broke out all the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 200, and 100 on 30th April. And the price action of SPX 500 broken out all these simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200 on 29th of May after a complete month. And now it is retesting the 25 and 200 simple moving averages as the support. And at this time, the price action of Bitcoin has broken down the 25 simple moving average. Once it was broken down here, then the price action again turned bullish. And now it is second time the price action of Bitcoin has recently broken down this 25 simple moving average. Now it is at the support of 50 simple moving average. The pressure from the downside is more than the pressure from the upside, because this simple moving average is smaller than this simple moving average. Therefore, this support is more stronger, and definitely there is some correlation with the Bitcoin and the other markets as well. If the Bitcoin will follow this market, then definitely it will again break out the 25 simple moving average. But if the Bitcoin will follow this news, then definitely it can break down all the simple moving averages, even the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages as well. Let's see what will happen in the future. At this time, the price action has more stronger support than the resistance. Therefore, there are chances that the price action will again break out this 25 simple moving average as well. Now, let's see. For example, at this time, the price action did not break down the support of this pennant. That is very much important if we want to see that this news will affect the price action of Bitcoin and the price action of Bitcoin will be dropped or not. Then we should observe very closely that the price action will break down this support of this pennant or not. For example, if this support will be broken down, and then it means that the price action can move more down and can start a more stronger bearish rally. I'm just watching this pennant, the price action, the movement of the price action within this pennant with the combination of these three indicators. For example, what I have observed that the price action is very much synchronized with these indicators whenever it is hitting at the support, and the stochastic is giving us the bull cross and the MACD is turning bullish, and finally when we receive the bullish signal by the momentum indicator as well. For example, here it was in dark red color, it means that it was strong bearish, and here it changed to the dull red color. It means that it is giving signals that it is turning bullish. Then we can see that the price action started the bullish rally and reached up to the resistance of the channel, and now it is again dropped. Now we have received the bull cross by the stochastic, and the MACD is also turning bullish. At this time, there are chances that the stochastic will again give us the bear cross, because both moving averages of this stochastic indicator are touching each other. Therefore, there are chances that the stochastic will again give us the bear cross, and this signal will be reversed soon. Therefore, I'm just watching for the reversal of this bearish signal. Once we will receive the bullish signal by this momentum indicator with these two indicators as well, then there will be confirmed that the price action will reach up to the resistance of this pennant that is up to, at this time, that is at $10,000. Therefore, we need to watch the support of this pennant, whether it will be broken down or not. That is very much important at this time when we have this drastic news. And if I will take you to this long-term weekly chart again, and this is a symmetrical triangle that we discussed earlier in the starting of this video, then we can see that here the 25 simple moving average has moved more up. At this time, we have the 200 simple moving average at the support, and that is below all other moving averages. And we have 100, then 25, and then 50. These are the simple moving averages. Once this 25 simple moving average will cross of this 50 simple moving average, then a complete opened alligator mouth by the SMAs, the simple moving averages, will be formed like it was formed here, and they lifted the price action very much up to $20,000. That was almost 3,000% bullish rally from here up to this level. And if this bullish signal will be appeared, that will be very much helpful for the price action to break out the resistance and to start as same as like this parabolic move like it was happening here. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall this bullish gauntlet pattern that is formed on the monthly chart that I published on April 6th, that the price action was entered in the potential reversal zone, and as per Fibonacci sequence, it was supposed to take the bullish divergence from here. And now we can see that we have the second bullish candlestick closing one after above the shoulder of another candlestick, and I'm expecting that the next candlestick will be appeared on the shoulder, above the shoulder of this candlestick. And if it will be continued like this, then we will see that the price action will break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to D leg, and after breaking out this projection level, the price action can start a very much powerful bullish rally that can achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin, that is more than $20,000. And I am expecting from $100,000 to $300,000 within next 1 or 2 years. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. What do you say? What is your opinion? You can share your comments in the comment section with me. I'll definitely try my best to reach out your comments and to reply those comments as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.